आनंद ऋषि जी महाराज साहब जी के चरणों में मेरे कोटि कोटि वंदना। यहाँ विराजित आलोक ऋषि जी महाराज साहब जी के चरणों में मेरे कोटि कोटि वंदना। सभी साधु जी, साध्वी जी, सभी के चरणों में मेरे कोटि कोटि वंदना। यहाँ आए हुए मेहमानों का सुस्वागतम, सुस्वागतम, सुस्वागतम। आई गिव अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू ऑल द डिग्निटरीज प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर। A very pleasant morning to everyone and Sadar Jai Jinendra to everyone. Today we have all gathered here on a beautiful day and we are very lucky. A very beautiful and very pious day has dawned in our lives that Param Pujya Rishivar Ji along with the dignitaries has given his pious visit to our school, that is Ananda Pashava Pre-Primary School, Navipet. I would like to say just few sentences about this school. We started this school, we began this journey around about 7 years before, and ours is a ICSC and CBSC pattern we are running in this school. We are very fortunate, we are very lucky to be the part of this noble institution, and we always get the blessings, and because of blessings, those blessings, we are teaching students on all grounds of sanskar, seva and shiksha. In assembly, every day we give the lessons of beautiful sanskar, we give them the lessons of beautiful seva, and along with that, quality education is given in our school. In our school ranks first, in which UKG children class, the kids can write question answers on their own. They are very capable of speaking English. During the gathering, they are able to do even the anchoring on the stage. I think many of them have witnessed the gatherings. Even Marsabji has witnessed the gathering. So these are all blessings of Param Pujya Guruvarji. I owe my heartfelt thanks Guruvarji for visiting, for blessings, and I hope these blessings will continue forever in our life. So by not wasting our time, we shall begin with today's event. Today is the prize distribution ceremony of Sports Day carried for the year 2023-24, and these sports were carried at Mahavir International on 16th of December. As we know, these kids are addicted to mobiles, cell phones, net, and all these things are they have made the very exclusive part of their life. So sports are the best thing to inculcate the good seeds of the ground manners, ground culture, to bring back the ancient culture, which is very necessary, and school is only the platform to inculcate the good seeds of good manners. So by not wasting the time, kids are awaiting for this moment today. So we shall begin with the events which is conducted. So let's begin with the events. So first event was ball in bucket. UKG class I will be announcing. Samruddhi Samleti, she stood first.